Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your own AI hack video for TikTok. So this AI hack video is currently trending on TikTok, and if you want to create one, you can just follow the steps. First, you need to make sure that you've already prepared two photos combined like this, side by side. And after that, you can open your browser, and then here click on the search column and just type in video.studio. Click on enter, and now click on the three dots icon on your browser and make sure that you enable the desktop side. Okay, after this you can just here at the top right corner click on try video, and after that choose to sign in with Google. So just like your Google account, and then sign in into video. Now click on the three lines icon again at the top and tap on create video. So in here you can just drag or upload the image that you've already combined before. Click on the plus icon and choose the photo. Now you can just enter the prompt, so you can input text in here and just insert the prompt. So I'm going to just write make the people in the photo hug each other. Now you can just click on create and just wait for the results. So sorry, apparently the server is busy, so I cannot show you the result, but you can try on your own, and maybe you are luckier than me, and when you try it the server is not busy. That's pretty much all. You can try to create the viral AI hack video on your own. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Bye.